Melt some butter in the pan. Not all of it. You're supposed to spread it out like in between the pancakes. No. In the pan. Could use like normal pancake making butter. Just me. Review the butter. You will probably not need a whole like full layer. Let me remind you that I have no idea of how to make pancakes. Now we play the waiting game. Oh Jesus. Holy shit. I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna drop it. Okay. I flipped the pancake! Oh my god! I never thought I would actually do it. Oh my god! It is your turn. I'm scared. I'm just gonna leave a little longer. I just realized you still have the cat on your face. Oops. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna ruin your kitchen. That's good. No! Hells yeah! We did it! We actually have basic cooking skills. We actually did it. I'm gonna grab another bit. Which? Just go for it. You know what they say? Oh! I did it! But there's butter all over my kitchen. I did it though. Ketchup the fat. Yay! There's fatty pancake bitches. Oh yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Praise Jesus!